My speech, you should know how to use the United States Postal Service mobile delivery device. We'll call that a scanner. Have you ever wondered how you get information on your mobile device that a package was delivered from the United States Postal Service? I will show you how that happens in this demonstration. Everybody wants to know when their package has arrived, either from a company or a private seller. Today we will log into the scanner, scan some barcodes, and then send the data to the cloud. This information is found in training manuals and from experience gained as a user. First, you have to log into the scanner. We're going to retrieve the scanner from the docking station, which we have done, and then we're going to log into the scanner with the code that we find on our ID card. We're going to ensure that data is correct in the scanner. It's all pertinent to us, and at this point everything is correct. After we have successfully logged into the scanner, it is time to move on to the next step. We are ready to scan delivery barcodes. The barcodes will say that it's a tracking number. There's other barcodes on the package, but we're not going to deliver them. See in this package here too, United States Postal Service tracking number, and another scan. We are going to scan only the tracking number for the post office. I'll show you what happens when we scan something incorrectly. We don't want to hear that. We're going to scan the proper barcodes. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to select the correct event. Events are, for example, was the packages, were they delivered? Did we attempt to deliver them? Is a person on vacation and we're holding their mail? Or is it a business and that business is closed today? In this case, we're going to assume everything is correct and we're going to deliver the package. We're going to do that by hitting enter on the scanner, this green button here, and we're going to move on to the next screen, which is where was that item left. The person can look at and they can track that tracking number and find out exactly what information we've entered, so it's got to be accurate. There's many options for this as well. Did we leave it at the mailbox? Did we leave it in the locker at the mailbox? Did we leave it at the front porch? Maybe at the front door? Did we leave it with somebody at the house? Could we have left it at the garage? We got to ensure that we put the correct information where that package was left. The customer will call because they've seen this information immediately after we hit enter. It's gone to the cloud, and they can see that information. This seems simple so far, but the most important step has not yet occurred. After we've scanned the barcode, selected the correct event, and chose the right delivery location, we're going to move on to the final step. We're now ready to send the information to the cloud. We're going to ensure the delivery zip code is correct. In this case it is. We're going to hit the enter button again, and then you're going to hear a beep hearing that indicates that it was sent. And it's been sent. After you're logged into the MDD, scan the delivery barcodes, and send the information to the cloud, you have successfully processed a package. The customer will see real-time information, as I indicated, on all the information you have entered into the scanner. In conclusion, scanning a USPS barcode involved the following 3 steps. We logged into the scanner, we scanned the tracking numbers, and we sent the information to the cloud. As long as you have correctly scanned the item, placed it in the proper location, and sent the information to the cloud, you will notify the customer of the actions that you have taken. If the information was correctly entered, the customer will be happy. If the information was entered incorrectly, you will have an unhappy customer.